The Infinix Note 60 Pro Plus 5G feels like the kind of smartphone that redefines expectations, packing cutting-edge specs that rival the most premium phones on the market, with a stunning 6.9-inch curved Super AMOLED display featuring a silky smooth 144Hz refresh rate for ultra-fluid scrolling and gaming. Powered by a top-tier Dimensity 9300 processor that delivers blazing performance for multitasking, AI features, and heavy gaming, paired with up to 32 GB of RAM and ultra-fast UFS 4.0 storage for instant app launches and seamless performance, while photography reaches another level with a massive 300MP main camera supported by a versatile setup including ultra-wide and telephoto lenses for professional-grade photos and 8K video recording, complemented by a high-resolution 64MP selfie camera for sharp portraits and crystal-clear video calls. All backed by an enormous 8,500 mAh battery that easily lasts more than a full day of intense use and supported by 150W ultra-fast charging that can power the phone in minutes, alongside premium features like in-display fingerprint sensor, stereo speakers, advanced 5G connectivity, Wi-Fi 6E, and a sleek modern design that makes the device feel every bit as futuristic and powerful as today's most expensive flagship smartphones.